Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the new session. We have been discussing the exercise part of the lesson, a visit to Cambridge, right? Let us continue. Next one is working with language, page number 106. First main, fill in the blanks. The options will be given orally. Listen. First one, paled, P-A-L-E-D, paled. Next one, guidance. Next one, successor. Next one, traveler. Next one, chaired. Next one, truly. And last one is drawn. Right? First question, I met a dash from an antique land. Antique means old or ancient. I met a traveler from antique land. Second question, I need special dash in mathematics. I can't count the number of times I have failed in the subject. The correct answer is guidance. I need special guidance in mathematics. I can't count the number of times I have failed in the subject. Third question, the guide called Stephen Hawking a worthy dash to Isaac Newton. The guide called Stephen Hawking a worthy successor to Stephen Hawking. The correct answer is successor for third one. Fourth one, his other problems dash into insignificance besides this unforeseen mishap. Unforeseen means unexpected. Mishap means accident. His other problems paled. His other problems paled into insignificance besides this unforeseen mishap. Fifth one, the meeting was dashed by the youngest member of the board. Fifth answer is chaired. The meeting was chaired by the youngest member of the board. Sixth one, some people say yours dash when they informally refer to themselves. The correct answer is truly. Some people say yours truly when they informally refer to themselves. Last one, I wish it had been a dash match. We would have been spared the noise of celebrations at least. The correct answer is drawn. I wish it had been a drawn match. We would have been spared the noise of celebrations at least. Second one, these are the answers. Pause this video and you can note. Second main, make 6 phrases using the words given in the box. Read or session, smile or face. Here you have to correct. It is revolve, misspelled. Please note. Revolve or chair, walk or tour, dance or doll, win or chance. By using these words, we have to frame the phrases. We have to make the phrases. How can it be done? Reading session, first one. Smiling face. Next one, revolving chair. Next one, walking tour. Next one, dancing doll. And last one is winning chance. These are the phrases framed by using the ing form of the verb. These are the answers. You can pause this and note down. Next one, use all or both in the blanks. Tell your partner why you chose one or the other. First one, he has two brothers dash are lawyers. The correct answer is both. He has two brothers, both are lawyers. Second one, more than 10 persons called, dash of them wanted to see you. The correct answer is all. More than 10 persons called, all of them wanted to see you. Next one, they dash cheered the team. The correct answer is all. They all cheered the team. Fourth one, dash her parents are teachers. Both her parents are teachers. Fifth one, how much have you got? Give me dash of it. The correct answer is all. How much have you got? Give me all of it. The reason behind the selection of both or all is based on the numbers. When we talk about two things or two persons, we use both. When we talk about more than two persons or more than two things, we use all. I hope you got the reason behind the selection of the options, right? Here are the answers. Pause this and note down these answers. Next one, complete each sentence using the right form of the adjective given in brackets. First one, my friend has one of the dash cars on the road. The adjective is fast. The adjectives have three forms: positive, comparative, superlative. Fast, faster, fastest. Among these three forms, which one is suitable? The correct answer is fastest. My friend has one of the fastest cars on the road. Why should we use the superlative form? Because the is used before the blank. That indicates the superlative form. Second one, this is the dash story I have ever read. The adjective is interesting. The correct answer is most interesting. This is the most interesting story I have ever read. Because we have to use superlative degree form of the adjective before the article the in the sentence. Third one, what you are doing now is dash than what you did yesterday. Here there is comparison between the two tasks of today's and yesterday's, right? The correct answer is easier. What you are doing now is easier than what you did yesterday, right? Fourth one, Ramesh and his wife are both dash. The correct answer is short. It is positive form. There is no comparison between Ramesh and his wife, right? So it is just positive form. And last one, he arrived dash as usual, even the chief guest came dash than he did. The first blank is should be written the forms of late, and second one should be written with earlier. He arrived late as usual, even the chief guest came earlier than he did. Right? These are the answers for the exercise part of the lesson, a visit to Cambridge. Write all the exercise part in your notebook and be ready for the weekly test.